Listen up, traders. If your computer has ever frozen right as the stock market was ripping, this video is for you. Because if that's happened even once, something in your setup is broken. You're watching a breakout, volume surges, you click buy, and the screen locks up. The system freezes, the move is gone, and you're left staring at what should have been a winning trade. That's not bad luck, and it's not the market. If you're still running on a mechanical hard drive, or even one of those first generations of SSDs, your computer simply can't keep up with modern trading speed. You're trying to execute in real time with outdated hardware, and it will fail you at the worst possible moment. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to admit. Your trading computer might be the reason you're missing winning trades. And 7 times out of 10, it's not your broker, your internet connection. It's your hard drive inside your trading computer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Eddie, I've got a decent computer. I spent good money on it. But if you're still running on a hard drive that's several generations old, you're basically trying to race a Ferrari with bicycle wheels. It doesn't matter how good the rest of your setup is. That one component drags everything down. Now, let me break this down in simple terms. Your hard drive is the warehouse of your computer. It's where Windows lives. It's where Thinkorswim lives. It's where TradingView, NinjaTrader, TradeStation, your charts and indicators, all of it lives when your computer is turned off. When you power up your system, everything has to be pulled out of that warehouse and loaded into your computer's working memory called the RAM. If that warehouse is slow, your entire trading setup is slow. That means long boot times, laggy platforms, charts stuttering, and worst of all, execution delays when milliseconds matter. You know what's incredible to me? Many computers, especially cheap laptops, still ship with mechanical hard drives called HDDs. Inside your computer is literally a spinning disk with a moving arm reading data. It's ancient technology. It's like 70 years old. And the more you use it, the worse it gets. Quick pause here. If this is already clicking for you, do yourself a favor and grab my complete guide to trading computers. It shows you exactly what hardware traders actually need, what specs matter, and what's just marketing nonsense. That link is in the description below. Now, mechanical drives have moving parts. They wear out, they're slow, they're fragile. And when they start failing, they don't just die, they freeze your system first. Usually when you're about to enter or exit a trade. I can't tell you how many traders have reached out to me saying, my computer only locks up right when I'm about to click buy. That's not a coincidence. That's a dying hard drive gasping for air. Now, here's the good news. There is a fix. It's called a solid state drive, an SSD. No spinning disks, no moving parts, no mechanical delays. Modern SSDs, the latest generation of SSDs, use the same memory technology that's in your smartphone. And the difference is night and day. It's what's called flash memory. Your computer boots up in seconds instead of minutes. Trading platforms load almost instantly. Charts update smoothly. No more freezing when you click buy or sell. But, and this part matters, not all SSDs are created equal. And this is where the industry gets sneaky. You'll see systems advertised with SSD storage, and you think you're covered. You're not. There are different generations and types of SSDs, and some are dramatically faster than others. The ones traders want is something called an NVMe SSD. And I don't mean to nerd out too much. And to be super specific though, what traders actually need is called a PCIe Generation 4 or PCIe Generation 5 NVMe drive. Now, again, I don't mean to nerd out too much, but think of PCIe like lanes on a highway. Gen 4 is already a wide, fast freeway, but Gen 5 is even a wider freeway. Both are more than enough for trading, real-time data, and instant execution in today's day and age. But anything older than Gen 4 or SSDs that don't stay PCIe Gen 4 or Gen 5 are leaving performance on the table. For traders, Gen 4 is a sweet spot and Gen 5 is the bleeding edge. Forget the technical jargon. Here's what matters. NVMe SSDs are up to 200 times faster than old mechanical hard drives and at least 10 times faster than the older generation SSDs. Boot times drop to seconds. Thinkorswim will open instantly. NinjaTrader doesn't make you wait. TradeStation loads charts before you can blink. When you click buy or sell, your computer won't hesitate. And you know what drives me crazy? I see traders spending tens of thousands of dollars on courses and indicators and strategies while they're trading on their kid's laptop. They sabotage their own trading execution. They're trying to be precision snipers with Stone Age equipment. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if your computer can't keep up when volatility hits, you'll miss opportunities. Now listen carefully. When you're shopping for a trading computer, don't just look for SSD. Look specifically for PCIe Gen 4 or Gen 5 NVMe SSD. And by the way, all easy trading computers come with these, so you don't even have to ask us. If the specs just say SSD and don't mention NVMe, keep looking. This is your trading career, not the place to settle for almost good enough. Let me paint the picture of what trading should feel like with the right setup. You sit down in the morning, you hit the power button, and before your coffee is ready, everything is loaded. Charts are crisp, platforms are responsive, you see your setup, you click, and boom, you're in the trade. There's no delays, there's no freezes, there's no missed opportunities. Now, if you already have an NVMe SSD and things still feel off, there are a few other things to check. First thing, make sure you have enough RAM. If you're running multiple monitors, multiple trading platforms, multiple trading rooms, you need at least 32 gigabytes of RAM. 16 just doesn't cut it anymore. Second, keep your system updated. Outdated drivers and old versions of Windows stability issues that look like hardware problems. Third, and this should probably be first, your internet connection. Use wired Ethernet whenever you can. Wi-Fi is inconsistent, and in trading, consistency is everything. You know what I mean. I've been helping traders optimize their trading setups for years, and upgrading to an NVMe SSD is one of the biggest performance jumps you can make. I've had traders tell me it felt like they got a brand new computer. Their orders process instantly, charts stop stuttering, systems that used to freeze during volatility suddenly stay rock solid. Your trading computer isn't just a computer, it's your money-making tool. When the market gives you a signal, your system has to execute immediately. A slow hard drive is like racing with square wheels. Don't let a cheap hard drive be the reason you miss a move. Quick reminder, go ahead and grab my complete guide to trading computers. It walks you through exactly how to buy a system that won't hold you back. That link is in the description below. Go get it now. But if you know you're ready to upgrade to the latest technology for trading, we have an awesome machine on sale right now. Click that link in the description and check it out. And yo, WTF, why haven't you subscribed yet? Can you do me a favor? Slam that subscribe button if this video helped you. My name is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see what is the greatest trading computer of all time, watch this video next. As I always say, may the trend be with you.